Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important features in SOLIDWORKS, the Extruded Cut command. This feature is used everywhere in mechanical design, sheet metal, automotive parts, and product modeling. So if you want to become faster in SOLIDWORKS, this tool is a must-know. Let's start. Step 1. Create base part 020 to 110. First, open a new part file. Now select the front plane and start a sketch. Using the rectangle tool, create a simple rectangle. Add dimensions. Length equals 120 millimeters. Width equal 80 millimeters. Now exit the sketch. Go to Features Extruded Boss/Base. Give thickness as 20 millimeters. And click OK. Now we have our base solid body ready. Step 2. Start Extruded Cut Sketch 110 to 2 o'clock. Next, select the top surface of the block. Click Sketch. Now create a circle in the center. Dimension the circle as 40 millimeters diameter. This sketch will be used to remove material from the solid body. Step 3. Use Extruded Cut Feature 2 to 320. Now go to Features Extruded Cut. This command removes material from the model based on the sketch profile. Here you can see different end conditions. Blind, through all, up to surface, midplane. For this example, select Through All. This means the cut will pass completely through the part. Click OK. And now the material is removed successfully. Step 4. Explain important options 320 to 440. Let's quickly understand some important extruded cut options. Blind. Cuts material to a specific depth. Example. If depth is 10 millimeters, the cut stops after 10 millimeters. Through All. Cuts through the entire body automatically. Flip side to cut. Cuts the opposite side of the sketch. Draft option. Adds taper angle to the cut walls. Very useful in mold and plastic component design. Step 5. Real industry usage 440 to 520. Extruded cut is heavily used in automotive bumper designs, plastic trims, mounting